In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fonts on WPS Office. Welcome and thank you for watching. In this video, I will guide you through the complete process of adding custom fonts to WPS Office on your Android device, allowing you to personalize your documents and match your style or project needs. To start, open the web browser on your phone. Navigate to a trusted website where free fonts are available for download. Once the page loads, locate the search bar and type the name of the font you want to add, such as Times New Roman, Courier New, or Arial. After the search results appear, select the font you need and download it to your device. Once the download is complete, open your phone's download folder. This is where the font file is usually saved. Most fonts come compressed, so you will need to extract the file first. Tap on the file and extract its contents so that the actual font file becomes accessible. After extracting, move the font file into the Fonts folder on your device. This step is crucial because WPS Office checks this folder to detect and load custom fonts. Ensure that the font file is placed correctly so it can be recognized by the app. Next, open the WPS Office app on your phone. Create a new document or open an existing one. Access the font selection options, scroll through the list, and check if the font you downloaded is now available. If it appears, the process was successful, and you can start using it immediately in your documents. You can repeat this process to add more fonts. Simply download additional fonts, extract them, move them to the Fonts folder, and refresh WPS Office by reopening the app. This method gives you full control over document customization and allows more flexibility when designing text layouts. That is how you can easily add custom fonts to WPS Office on Android. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.